Dabba. Dabba. Dabba, 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 the explorer. Dabba. God, I couldn't see for a second. There's my eyes. That's always fun. More mortar. More sparkler. Okay, I'm gonna light it this way so I don't burn my hand twice.
Boy.
Ah,
burn your damn hand again.
I'm trying to. Every time I light it, the fire.
Hold it sideways. Yeah, like that.
Come on.
Come on, put me in a wing.
Fine. Why is
Do it.
I'm just trying to.
Do it.
You do it.
Do it.
I don't want to burn myself.
That's because you need to go on this side, man.
Right, that wasn't that bad.
Oh shit.
Careful.
Shot stuff. What was that first little spurt it shot out? That was the pre-pre.
We were thinking the exact same thing.
Yeah.
4 mil.
Oh man. Oh shit.
Oh, yeah, that's scary.
Holy shit.
I could have got burned bad.
I wished you would have. I'm just kidding. Yeah, that's a twofer.
Oh, hold on. It's like.
Oh, you only hit one.
I only went one? No, I went 2.
Oh, yeah, boy.
I think I initially went 1 and then the other one.
What the fuck is that freaky little son of a bitch?
You burn yourself?
Nah, this damn little squash fucking bug or whatever it is. A little mushroom head.
Oh, there we go.
Keep going in.
Okay, let me figure out which way the fire goes real quick. Okay.
You don't know how to do it. There you go. Let me get a close up you burning your pineapple.
What's going on behind us?
Damn, that shit shot it over there. There you go.
So they got the baby pack. So like, how do I drop it in this?
I'm gonna hold it. You like.
Hold it like further down a little so you don't get burnt.
Like that.
Yeah, alright.
I want to make sure it's gonna fall in there. Alright, good.
Ah, sorry. Okay, I need to.
Yeah, alright, do it.
What the... Why is it like continuously turning away?
I don't want you to do it.
Ah, see?
You almost dropped my damn lighter down in the freaking manhole, man.
Sorry.
Get up on top of the thing and do it, yeah, like that way. So the.
Hold on.
Come on, bro. What you doing?
It's hot. Alright. So now it should just go down. Oh, nope, it's still going backwards into my... Oh,
Do it.
come on. Why?
Do it.
You like it. They're
Huh?
actually
Just do it
fine.
again. Water in the manhole.
That's a forever.
Whoa, it shot a blue flame like that.
I know. Oh, look over there.
Over the house.
Woo! That one was big.
That's what the ladies tell me.
Shut up. You always gotta drop a mortar in the sewer, you know?
It's tradition.
Yep, annual tradition. Until one
What?
day we can't afford more.
Started at 500 grand there. It's still more than that.
Yeah, I know.
Sometimes you gotta start a fire.
Put your camera down there. Like, don't drop it. But like, hold on, you
Yeah,
can
it looked like a weed duck down there.
So you don't drop it.
That's where I used to live.
Back when I was a Ninja Turtle.
Here's little Master Splinter right here.
Rat boy.
What? I know, that guy was going crazy over there. There goes a big one. Lou,
Oh God!
get away from it.
That's how they light them all so fast. It's just like a giant pack of them. They light them all at once. Yeah, that was a good one. Do you have hand sanitizer? Hand sanitizer and a match.
Wow. You just want to set stuff on fire.
Kind of, but like, do you have hand sanitizer and a match?
Yeah, no.
Do you have a match?
I don't know.
Do you have hand sanitizer though? That's the real question.
Why do you want hand sanitizer? You dirty or something?
No.
You do kind of smell a little bit. Yeah. Oh, 3-round bursty. And that shit's hitting over here.
That was nice.
What'd you think about that? What the fuck?
Hold on.
What'd you do? Was them prep lights?
Hold on. I'm trying to figure out which way the
He's
fire's
just
going.
studying it right now. He's gonna hit them prep
There we go.
lights right now.
Yeah, boy.
Damn.
I thought shoot off the last two together.
That sucker needed some Cialis. It barely got up
Oh wait,
in
yeah,
there.
tie these two together.
Hmm?
Tie these two together.
Do it.
Hold this. Oh.
Just hand it to me in my thing. What did I just say right there? You know that's recording. You just recording your hand and shit.
What, are they gonna use me holding a lighter as incriminating evidence?
No, you just filming your hand. We got another dually.
I can feel the sparks going on that board.
Ooh.
My God, that one was good. My crayon. My crayon.
That ain't what you said.
Alright, we got this dang old bazooki right here.
I think you can light this one off.
Give me a thing.
Swear, if it moves up the wrong way.
I don't know which way it's going. It looks like it goes the other way, but... Dang, what that son of a bitch sound like a chicken? Look at that big ass head. He got that Steve Irwin shot.
That's it? I thought that was 120.
What'd you think about that?
That's 120 shots? You know what I think of it? It's been fun, mysterious chode thing,
Chode.
but it's time for you to go.
Chody Daniels.
Oh, hold on.
Get on the other side, cause the wind's blowing that way.
Yeah, I'm aware.
You ain't aware. Freaking wind.
Okay. I'm not aware. I'm a werewolf. Come on. You know what? Why don't I just like face it straight towards me? The opposite of what you should do whenever you're cutting something with a knife.
Just do it.
Come on.
Just do it.
I'm gonna hold just my hand out.
Do it. Do it.
Because I don't want the rest of my...
Do it. Do it.
Come on.
Do it. Do it.
What? Did you not see that?
Do it.
Alright.
Shut up.
I mean, they all have to do it because both of them.
Dang, got that green light right
It
there.
takes them like 2 years, but still. They have elephant ears too, look.
What?
Those are elephant ears, ain't it?
I think that's a big ass sunflower plant.
That could be. Didn't the sunflowers have leaves like that? Oh yeah, they are.
I told you, boy.
Alright.
We're gonna cross yet.
What time is still they got one at the horn?
Yeah?
Yep.
We're going down here to the rich people's neighborhood, see what they got to offer. Come on, boy. You're like a darn shadow.
Funny considering I'm white as bleach.
Yeah, you are pretty white.
Well, technically bleach is clear, but bleach makes stuff white.
Hey, yeah. I don't think they got none shooting off down here, boy. Huh?
I said they did it in years. They had a huge ass firework show.
We in the damn woods. What the hell?
Almost every house had milk duds. It was like heaven.
Milk duds? Oh, on Halloween.
Yeah.
I was about to say, damn, on New Year's they gave you milk duds?
No, it was
I wouldn't have been there. I was like, damn.
every house had milk duds and a couple of them had warheads.
Oh. Sounds pretty nice. What you like better? Milk duds or warheads? Kick it.
Well, it's subjective. Wanna kick it over?
Yeah, that's why I said kick it.
Oh.
Oh, what
That's
that
kinda
weak
lame.
ass kick was?
I didn't want to hurt my foot for some reason.
Yeah, weak ass.
Remember that time I filled up a water balloon and you kicked it?
Yep.
I actually put a static song over it because I thought it would be funny and it matched with the beat.
For real? Oh, don't cross yet. Cross it, boy.
Well, it didn't seem like anything soon, but
I thought that was some money.
it is.
No, right? Don't it look like it though? You know I got an eye for that money now.
To be honest, how many times have you seen a $2 bill?
I got 2 of them.
Exactly.
There's a bunch of frogs over there. What the hell? What is that?
Frogs.
Are those ducks?
Yeah.
Damn, boy, they got a duck mound out there. They're like a damn herd of, ooh, that big old turkey. They got a herd of cattle.
I think you can see this, but there's a duck orgy over there. Duck orgy! Wonder who organized it. Oh, those are all geese.
I called them up. Yeah, you can't see it. I'm trying to focus it for y'all. Hold up. I can't see them up there. That big bitch over there in there. You hear the one in the woods? What the fuck's that sound doing? The lone duck.
Yeah, that's what I was going to show you, but then I heard a bullfrog and I wanted to see if I could see it.
What if we got an egg over there or something? I ain't doing nothing, you duck. Y'all see that duck right there? I wish I could see these.
They're perfectly in sync over there.
Oh, dude, they are.
Well, most of them are.
All those are geese. Whoa, he's throwing out some beatboxing shit over there.
Those are toads. Should we go over and say
Is that a real frog? What the fuck? They sound funny as shit. There's a bunch of duck shit over here. God, dude, I got it all over my freaking shoe. Yeah, they beatbox.
Might be able to see them.
Sounds like, oh, they're jumping in. It was like right over there in the muddy spot.
Yeah, they're, oh, no, dude.
Let's go check on the other side.
Oh, there's tons of tadpoles on that side.
For real?
Can you just go over here more often?
We can if you want.
I don't know what that's all about.
What?
Is this synchronized swimming pod?
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put me a duck hat on and go over there and swim with him.
I think they tried to kill you anyway.
What?
I think they tried to kill you anyway.
No, they won't. They'll be my friend.
They must be like useless snorkel goggles.
Yeah, boy. You know, I'm damn trained up in that shit. I'm about fell in there.
Can you see
We
anything?
out here at the pond. Y'all can't see shit, but
Oh,
we
yeah,
out
come over
here.
here.
Talking about that pipe.
She can be standing up off there.
It's gonna be probably slippery, so I wouldn't stand out on. You go on the concrete part there. Why'd you take? Oh, damn! You about busted your ass. He about busted his ass, y'all. What is that? Push button. Some kind of red button that says don't push it.
Oh, is that? Oh!
I think it'll shoot us in the freaking outside space. That's that long pipe for you, girl. Man, they start shooting them off whenever we come down to the
Oh, there it is.
What?
Right up there.
Where's what?
That way.
Where they're shooting them off out? That's some weak shit. We got more over there.
Yeah.
Let's see. Come on.
Pussy's this here.
No. The crap. Bet you won't smoke that turd like a cigar. Where are you going?
Hold on. I'm hitting the sleigh button.
Hitting the what?
The sleigh button.
Sleigh button.
Yeah.
What's that?
See anything?
No.
You can go out onto the pipe.
What?
So you
Under
can-
the pipe.
Onto the pipe.
I was about to say, you know what I'm saying? There's probably some balls under the pipe. Damn, yo, you got a bright ass light. This making mine look like weak.
There it is.
We got some damn swamp lilies out here.
Oh, look at that. Look at that spider.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
It's a weird spider.
Motherfucker got long ass legs like CTC's neck.
I don't know who CTC is.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. Oh, wait, what?
His grandma live up the street.
Corey?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Sorry. Put my hand on his feet. It's the other way around.
Boo.
Alright.
Boo. Boo. Alright, there you go back, boy.
You can attract frogs like that. So they go,
Call him up now. Constipated? You need some milk and magnesia, boy. Brush your teeth, boy. Oh, bust you in the eye. Alright, we're on the way back. We got the Mighty Ducks squadding up. Oh, where are they forming? I think that shit says 69, baby. I'm about to send it to you. Yeah, they just write blood. Blood gang. The boys frog hunting.
Oh, I found a spider web.
Well, get out from back there. Come on.
So I did find something.
Yep.
There's also a roof on that.
That piece of shit stop sign ain't a damn. That shit's wood. That hurt my fucking hand. Come on.
Wooden stop sign. Wouldn't a metal stop sign hurt more?
I mean, it would have went. Come on, let's go ahead and cross. What's up, homies? This is gonna be a little ending smoke sesh for this video. But hell yeah, me, Grandpa Dabba, and my little Neff Dabba just hung out today. Shot fireworks, grilled out. Hope everybody had a good ass 4th of July. I should have did a live stream for everybody, then have people to hang out with and stuff. I thought I had some in my hers. But hell yeah, man, I hope y'all like the fireworks. Me and my little nephew went down to the rich people's neighborhood. They wasn't shooting off shit down there. He told me, he was like, every year they shoot off a bunch of stuff. And I was like, well, let's go down there and see them, boy. Went down there, we just did like some little frog hunting, and there was a bunch of geese down there. I don't know if y'all actually will be able to see it in the video or not, but every time like the fireworks would blow up, they would like huddle up into like a big ass circle and start like making like damn crop circles or some shit. Damn. Double chin. But hell yeah, homies, I figured I'd just make a little ending video for this. She's a heavy hitter now. Oh, God. Got me out here instantly fucking sweating, man. Damn. But, hell yeah, homies. Like I said, I hope y'all had a good ass time with y'all's family or whatever the hell y'all did. I don't even know. You might have just beat your meat listening to the fireworks. If you did that, I hope you had a good ass time doing it. You didn't rub no blister on yourself. You know what I'm saying? Keep that shit lotioned up, boy. Shit might not be in the head there. Got a strawberry high effects cart. Shit, some fire. But hell yeah, homies. Ain't been doing really shit today. Like I said, just grilled out. Waited until it got dark to shoot off fireworks with my little nephew and shit. We actually had leftover fireworks from New Year's Eve because we all fell asleep early and fucking didn't even get to shoot them off. My little nephew was like, I will just save them for 4th of July. And I was like, oh shit. I didn't even think about them until he mentioned them or whatever, but he'll probably like to see himself in the videos and stuff like that. I don't know if Yeah, he has been in a couple videos. Y'all have seen him. He crazy as hell, man. That's my little buddy, though. But hell yeah, homies, I guess I'm about to get on out of here. Probably do another live stream coming up here soon. I don't know when this video is going to drop. Probably the day after 4th of July, tomorrow or some shit like that. But hell yeah, I hope you like this video. Hope y'all smoking on some good. And hope you're having a good day. And don't forget to hit that like on the video. Let me hit this one more time before we get on out of here. Take another blinky blink. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. About died last time. Oh, she fired. I bet that shit's fucked up whenever I cough, my hand starts shaking. Oh, damn. Whew. I might have to go lay down. But hell yeah, homies, I hope you like this video. I hope you're smoking on some good. And I hope you're having a good day. Later. Whew, what I swoop it in there like that for? Later. Did we found it? Oh yeah. Let's get it one more time for him. Yeah, boy.